Good afternoon, this is Paul Bell with Smoke and Go, Bellacore Inc. We're doing a turkey cook this afternoon. Nice long smoke. We've had it cooking for about 3 hours now at 243. I like to use just neutral lump charcoal, and then what I do is we have a lot of pecan trees around here in Abilene, so I use small twigs, lay them along there, give it a little bit of a pecan smoke taste. So let's take off the lid here and see how this turkey's doing. Alright, it's looking good. The Smoke and Go, because it's stainless steel, gives this bird a real nice convection-like browning. And you can see there that I've arranged the charcoal to burn in a ribbon around the edges. We did inject it with a butter, garlic, onion powder. Alright, I better get the lid back on it so it won't get too hot. When you purchase the Smoke and Go, we include a thermometer with a wire probe to use as the temperature indicator inside the Smoke and Go. And then once you get close to finishing your meat, then you can use that probe to know the exact temperature of your meat. Okay, it's a couple of hours later, and I put the temperature probe in the turkey, and deep inside the breast it's about 173. So what we're going to do now is take this turkey breast off. I'm going to inject it with marinade one more time, wrap it, and finish it in the oven. Okay, so we're going to inject this butter marinade with garlic and onion powder all around the breast and also the thighs. Wrap it in the aluminum foil and finish it off for another couple hours. We have left it in the oven for a couple of hours at 260, so it's very done, and we're going to let it rest here for 15 minutes, and then we'll slice it up and see how it tastes. So let's see how this bird is looking. The meat temperature was about 185 to 190, 20 closer. So let's just take a little bite right here. Very good. Very moist for turkey. Turkey's very dry, but all right, so that's butter injected turkey on the Smoke and Go. I thought I'd add just a postscript to our turkey cook yesterday. That 11-pound turkey served 14 people. My goal was to cook that turkey so that it was just a fall away tender and still moist. I cooked it about 8 hours at 260 degrees, 6 hours here on the portable Smoke and Go, and then 2 hours in the oven. And I injected it before the smoke, and I injected it before we wrapped it and put it in the oven. However, the turkey was still drier than I was hoping for. So we may try it again, or we will try it again. I'm going to use lard instead of butter, see if it has a little more moisture retention. I'm going to reduce the temperature, the smoking temperature, maybe down to 220, and then do the oven finish at a lower temperature too, maybe a little less time. See if we can get that dry turkey meat to retain some moisture and still be tender. So we'll see you next time.